What's up, flooring friends? Come join me to another ride along for a house that's being sold in Carmel Valley. I work with this realtor who always sends me new houses that are getting ready to be sold and want some new carpeting. So we're headed over there. Luckily, they provided me a lockbox code, so I was able to get some easy access whenever I had time. Here I am entering the home. Don't laugh at me. I don't know how to multitask sometimes, so opening that door was pretty hard while recording. Anyway, we're going up the stairs. As you can see, we're replacing all this carpet here. So we've got 2 bedrooms, closets, a hallway, and a staircase. Here I am doing the process of drawing out my diagram as well as measuring with my trusty laser. And while I'm doing that, I want to explain the fact that we work with a lot of realtors that are looking to replace carpet pretty quick and easy. So we decided to use some stock carpet that we have available. I am done with that diagram and measuring, so I'm on my way out. Can't forget to lock the door. It was a little bit easier this time. I put the key away and also headed back to the office in Solana Beach. Can we just take a moment for how beautiful this showroom is? I decided to choose one of our stock carpets that was a very neutral base, still had some nice design, but again, it's no pattern repeat, so very easy to install. We're going to get them installed next week, which is pretty exciting to get that house sold. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great week, and I'll see you next week.